Hey guys, it's David from Be More Social, and in this video we're going to be talking about the things that I wish I knew or I wish someone had told me before starting my social media accounts. Number one, be prepared to invest a lot of time. Now I know that sounds like crazy. You think social media is just going to do it, it's just going to happen, like it's easy, you're in and out of the platforms all the time, but that's not the case. If you really want to maximize your results on social media, it's going to take time, effort and energy, and you need to be prepared to invest in that, otherwise it's not going to work and you may as well stop now. Number two, it's not easy and you're going to need to be prepared to fail. Social media changes all the time and you're not going to get it right all of the time either. Like the algorithm updates, or Instagram changes something, or there's a new platform introduced and everybody's jumping on that. You need to be adaptable. And it's never easy. Like if it was easy, everybody would be doing it and everybody would have an audience and everybody would be making lots of money from it. Which brings us nicely on to number three. Be prepared to stay up to date with the changes. I think in the last 12 months alone, we've had hundreds of different social media changes and updates and new features and benefits and templates and grids and what have you. The list goes on and on and on. So it's really important that you are prepared to stay up to date with those changes so you can adapt and you can make the most of what's really trending. Because ultimately, if you jump on the hype when everybody else is, that's going to get you the best results. For example, Instagram Reels and TikTok. They are the two massive players at the moment that everybody's getting great results from. So that's what you should be doing. Number four, don't compare yourself to others. No matter what you're seeing on your timeline on news feeds, it's really important that you don't compare that to what you're doing, because it's completely different. Social media has this authenticity that is like way unrealistic. There's Instagram versus reality. It's not real. Yeah, it's not real. It's edited, it's made up, it's never accurate. You never know what's happening behind those digital platforms. Yes, I'm speaking to you right now, but you don't know actually how I'm feeling a week from now or a year from now or what's actually happening. It all changes. So no matter what you see on somebody's Instagram or somebody's timeline or your own timeline or newsfeed or a video that you watch, don't compare that to yourself. Someone may be doing really, really well, or it looks like they're doing really, really well on social media, but in reality, they're not. Number five, be authentic. Post what you like, okay? It's really important that you bring across your personality of who you are, what you stand for, what your values are, what you're interested in, yeah? We want to see that positivity across social media. So linking back to what I said before, don't worry about what anybody else is doing and just do what you enjoy. Number six, be prepared to fail. As we know, social media is ever changing and you're gonna get stuff wrong, okay? You need to be in an environment where it's okay to fail. You're telling yourself and you're telling your team or anybody else working with you that that is okay. Failing is what is gonna eventually get you success, because you're gonna learn. Okay, we have a saying at Be More Social, we either win or we learn. There's no lose. We're not losing here, we're learning something. So every time you fail and every time something doesn't go the way you think it's going to, you learn from it. What have you learned from that experience? What have you learned from doing this? Try asking yourself that next time when you think you've failed. And number seven, last of all and finally, make sure you have fun. Okay, social media is a place to express yourself, especially on video. Like if I didn't enjoy doing these videos, I wouldn't want to do them. So it's really important that you do have fun with it and express your personality, show your hobbies, your interests, what you like doing. Make sure you're enjoying having fun when you're doing your TikToks or when you're creating your social media posts. Ultimately, that's the bottom line. You have to enjoy it. Otherwise, you're not going to want to do it. So I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you've got some value from it. If you have, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you've got any questions, hit me up and I look forward to seeing you soon.